Hi, friend. This is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and let's talk about an important thing that people ask me. I have been fortunate to be associated in teaching and learning and teaching. So the question asked is, what does it take? What it takes to cross the bridge, and why everybody cannot do it? Reason number one: people do not work hard. लोग मेहनत करने को तैयार नहीं है. How does that matter? The most common thing in the world is a wasted talent. So if you work hard, you are respecting the talent. As I read these lines somewhere, your talent is God's gift to you. What you do to the talent is your return gift to God. So the basic line is, respect your talent and work hard. When you develop this habit, then you will develop confidence. आपके अंदर विश्वास आएगा. So मेहनत विश्वास को जन्म देती है. When you learn to trust yourself, then people around you will trust you. आपका विश्वास आपके आसपास के लोगों के अंदर आपके ऊपर विश्वास पैदा करेगा. इससे बनती है एक टीम, एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. किसी भी समय, at any point of time, your belief and faith should be more than the people surrounding you. That creates a path and strength and courage to cross the bridge and achieving anything. And then they say that even sky is not the limit. The courage is dependent upon the important things called as hard work, faith, confidence. When you combine everything, then the line is completed called as courage is destiny. My friends, as a student of science, as a student in this life, we all must remember the learning never ends. And according to one of the greatest leaders of the world, Nelson Mandela, education is the only tool, is the only weapon that has the capacity to change the world. Keep learning. Happy Teachers Day from Dr. Apurv Mehra. Thank you very much.